Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are PBL Cat 506 teams. We will presenting the result of our project entitled Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Testing Test 7. Our project manager is Memel Miawati, BCSM Gamesi. Our team consists of 5 members. First is Melina Wandari, Elsa Cahya Putri, Nofis Kenda Permatasari, Eugenius Gilang Pratama, and Amirul Kotip. This is our job desk. I took a primary responsibility for the information gathering and session management phase, as well as performing validation and retesting. Elsa Cahya Putri focused on configuration management, input validation, and also error handling testing. Nafis Khaina Permatasari handled in the crucial area of identity management and also contributes to input validation. Eugenius Gilang Pratama and Emil Kotip collaborate in the area in the technical testing, namely authentication, authorization, and client-side testing. And all team members actively collaborate in the compiling the final penetration test.
Our project aims to improve website security. We do this using vulnerability assessment to find security gaps and penetration testing to simulate an attack with legal approval. The final outcome is the security report with guideline for fixing that gaps. Next, moving to the pre-adjustment phase. Before any testing begin, we must complete for key step. We define the client and scope, secure an authorization letter, give you legal permission, send an NDA to protect confidential and formal define the methodology for the test. Next, for our methodology, we use the OWASP Web Security Testing with OWASP-TG. This is the global standard for the security testing, which include 11 tests, 12 test category. As you can see from the diagram, over the flow is the structure process. It start with information gathering, that moving through configuration testing, identity management, authorization, session management, and all other critical paths shown here.
Phase 1 Information gathering. Our goal here is simple: map the attack surface. We start with passive recon, no direct contact, using tools like Google Dorking and Web Appleizer. Then we move to active recon, where we directly scan the target with tools like Nmap and Nitro. We begin phase 2 core testing. We test 3 key areas. 1. Configuration management, looking for server flow, bad SSL, or missing headers. 2. Identity management. We test registration, password reset, and username enumeration. 3. Authentication. We attack the login process itself using brute force or credential stuffing. As you can see, Burp and OAuth are the main tools here. Phase 3. Core testing. This is all about post-login security. 1. Authorization. We check if a user can access data that is not there. This is where we find flaw like IDOR or private escalation. 2. Session management. We test the security of the session token, looking for hijacking or violation vulnerability. Burp is again essential for
Moving on in phase 4 of the WSDG input testing, where we test how the application handling untrusted user data. Phase 5 cover all other categories such as error handling, cryptography, and business logic. Next is phase exploitation. The purpose here is to validate our finding by gaining unauthorized access. This isn't WSDG phase itself, but rather the result of our WSDG finding. Next, phase reporting. After exploitation, we enter the reporting phase. The report must deliver 2 key items. First, the technical detail like finding, risk level, and proof of concept. Second is most crucial, our mitigation recommendation. Next slide is finding report. Finally, look at our project progress. We're currently in information gathering. As you can see, the first 3 test cases for information leak good server fingerprinting and metadata review all complete, and we have already identified several initial findings and alert.
Summarize our initial findings from the information gathering stage include the discovery of open ports, the protocols being used by the server, the protections of vulnerabilities in several paths, and the discovery of vulnerable seeders. Of vulnerabilities. Of course, during this project, we have also faced some obstacle challenges. So far, the challenges we have encountered are delays in the NDA approval process with the client. Technically, the firewall configuration on the target system has presented a challenge for us. Our plan for the next stage is to continue the information gathering process to begin the core testing phase, starting with the configuration management, identity management, authentication, and so on, following the WSDG flow we have explained until we finally reach the reporting phase. This is our project logbook, which show our current progress at 45%. We started with the planning phase at the end of September to create our project plan, find a client, and draft the NDA. We are currently in stage 6 implementation, where we have started the WSDG INFO 1 until 3 information gathering. Here is some documentation of our activities, including our team coordination meetings and meetings with the client. This concludes our project progress presentation. Thank you for your attention. Of course, during